Alright, it's recording. Okay. This is the last night vision test. Hopefully. Just in case we don't have to do any type of like nighttime videos. If we do, I guess this is the test. It would be nice if there were no cars coming by though. Just wait until the cars go by. Face the corner like last time.
Cars going by there.
No, I hate this fucking cars. There's nowhere to drive when it's this cold, but whatever. It's actually not that cold. It's cold, but not that cold.
Okay.
Alright, face the corner. That's what it looks like. Now face me. How many minutes are we at?
51 seconds.
And we'll go a little over 1 minute. Come on, here. Guess there's an animal or something going through here. Alright, you can record me, right? Okay. Oh! Oh my god, that's cold. And like this. Face maybe over there, look over there a little bit. And back to me. Alright, you could stop it. You just click the button on top.